Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will show you another way to align content in horizontal center, vertical center and center of the div. We will be using a combination of position absolute and translate. So let's give it a try. Let's bring up our code editor. All right, let's say we have to move this div in the center horizontally. So we could simply use position absolute, and by default it will be relative to the main body. Now to move it to the center, we could do left 50%. Let's save it. And now as you can see, this div is starting from the center of the screen, but it itself is not in the center. So for that, what we can do is we can translate it towards the left by half of its width. So let's give that a try. So transform, translate X. So to move it towards the left hand side, we can give a negative value, say minus 50%. So this will move our div by 50% of the width towards the left. Let's save it. And as you can see, now our div is in the center of the screen horizontally. Similarly, say we wanted to align it in the center vertically. So let's just comment this. Let's say top 50%. Let's save it. Let's remove this margin. And as you can see, our element is starting from the center of the screen vertically. So again, to make it in the center, we can translate our element 50% of the height towards the top. So let's try that. So transform, translate Y, and to move it towards the top, we can use a negative value. So negative 15%, 50%. Let's save it. And now as you can see, it is in the center vertically. Now to move it in the center of the div, we can use both the properties. So if I just uncomment this and save it, and as you can see, it is in the center horizontally, but not vertically. So why is that? Because this first transform property is being overridden by the second one. Now to give both, we can give it like this. So translate Y minus 50%, or we could simply use translate, and inside the we could do minus 50% and minus 50%. Let's save it. And now as you can see, our element is in the center of the div. And that's how you use position absolute and transform to align content in the center. That's all for today, guys. If there is something that you did not understand, feel free to drop a comment and we will discuss it. See you in the next video. Bye and take care.